Most people waste years training chest the wrong way. These 4 exercises will change everything. Building a powerful chest isn't about doing 100 push-ups or spending hours in the gym. It's about choosing the right exercises and executing them with precision. Today, we're breaking down the 4 most effective movements that will transform your chest, backed by biomechanics and proven results. Exercise 1. Barbell bench press. The barbell bench press is the foundation of chest development. This compound movement targets your pectoralis major, anterior deltoids, and triceps simultaneously. Here's what makes it essential. The flat angle allows you to move the most weight, creating maximum mechanical tension on your chest fibers. This tension is the primary driver of muscle growth. For optimal results, grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower the bar to your mid-chest, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Press explosively back up while maintaining tension throughout the entire movement. Exercise 2. Incline dumbbell press. The upper chest is often the most underdeveloped area. The incline dumbbell press specifically targets this region. Set your bench between 30 to 45 degrees. This angle shifts the emphasis to your clavicular head, filling out the upper portion of your chest. Dumbbells offer a greater range of motion than barbells, allowing for a deeper stretch and stronger contraction. Press the dumbbells up and slightly together at the top, squeezing your chest hard. Control the descent, feeling the stretch in your upper pecs. Exercise 3. Weighted dips. Dips are criminally underrated for chest growth. When performed correctly, they create incredible activation in your lower and outer chest. Lean forward at approximately 30 degrees. Keep your elbows flared slightly outward. This forward lean is crucial as it shifts tension from your triceps to your chest. Lower yourself until you feel a deep stretch across your chest, then drive back up powerfully. As you get stronger, add weight using a dip belt to progressively overload the movement. Exercise 4. Cable crossovers. While the first 3 exercises build mass, cable crossovers sculpt and define your chest. The constant tension from cables keeps your muscle fibers engaged throughout the entire range of motion. This continuous tension increases time under tension, a key factor in muscle hypertrophy. Set the cables at shoulder height. Step forward, bringing your hands together in front of your chest. Focus on squeezing at the peak contraction. This exercise creates that full, rounded look to your pecs. Programming advice: for maximum growth, perform these exercises in this order. Start with the heavy compound movements when you're fresh, then finish with the cable work when you're fatigued. Train your chest twice per week, allowing at least 72 hours between sessions for recovery. Progressive overload is non-negotiable. Aim to add weight or reps each week. Conclusion: there's no magic formula, just consistent execution of proven movements. Master these 4 exercises, train with intensity, fuel your body properly, and your chest will have no choice but to grow. The blueprint is here. Now it's time to execute.